start and lamang na po ng dalawang sets itong Sandugo San Sebastian. That second set, the numbers from Anne.
Looking at it, better attacks coming from CVRS at this point in time. 12 as compared to only 13 of Sandugo, so hindi naman ganun kalayo. In terms of blocking, it's just almost the same with 1 point each. But Sandugo, San Sebastian scored 4 service aces in that last set. And on top of that also, they scored a few points also from the errors of CVRS.
Well, comparing it to the first set, medyo mas dikit. Gumanda naman talaga yung nag-improve yung performance ng Cagayan.
But just not enough to get a win against Sandugo. One thing that we pointed out Ian a while ago was the fact that nahihirapan din tong CVRS when Sandugo San Sebastian takes the lead. Yung added pressure of really having to catch up with the score.
That's right.
Makes
it even more difficult for them to at least get organized and get good plays going. Sandra. Now it's a free ball. Chuwulin back on the floor. Uy!
Second touch. Ganun ka-aggressive itong si Jeng.
Wow. Alam niyo, hindi madali hong gawin yun.
No, mabilis pa yung bola.
May spin pa yun. Shakey's, if it's fun, family pizza, gotta be Shakey's. Uy! Umupo sa ere. Nagkape.
Tagal pa. Ano ba? Ano pa pwedeng gawin? Yung hang time.
Grabe. Joy Cases. Her approach was towards the middle, but suddenly she just deflected and twisted that ball
De Los Santos
down the line.
On her serve. Pasok.
Let's see if they keep it in play, and they do. Bautista, throws it away. No touch. Oh, there is a touch from Tubino.
Looking at the leading scorers now after 2 sets. For Sandugo, San Sebastian, we have Wally with 13, Bautista with 7, Roses with 6. For Cagayan, the Cagayan team, we have De Los Santos with 8, Portimol with 5, and Casis with 4. I think they weren't able to maximize on De Los Santos because of the poor reception and the poor defense that they've had.
Miscommunication there between Bustillo and Wally. We're tied at 3 here in the third set. Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Good serve from Joy. Oh!
And me being that attack.
Joy Cases getting ready to serve. Now they have the lead, and so we've seen it 1,000 times, and merong isang team mapapanalo yung first 2 sets, and then akala nila they'll be in for a easy ride to win the third, pero yun, after they lose the third, napabayaan ng fourth, yung 5th set, tag-of-war na, talagang dogfight.
And yun yung pinakamahirap din, the 5th set, because of course, it's a much shorter set.
Tied at 4 here in the third. Taiwan with the serve, dug up by Joy. Good shot by Tubino.
Yan din yung mahirap, nagmamadali si Jeng. She's had some luck earlier with hitting the second ball, pero this time around, hindi naman, sabi nga, you can't push it all the time.
I know, and itong si Jang, malamang may lakad pa ito
Nagmamadali.
Nagmamadali na. So Jane Roses against 2 blockers still gets the point. We're tied at 5.
Well, Roses also talking to Di Makulangan, ang sabi niya ang baba daw nung set. So let's see if Di Makulangan can adjust.
Service ace again for Wally. They get back the lead 6-5. Yun ang tamang set for Tubino. Alright, Tobino moves back to the back row. Ito, bumalik na sa harap si Sandro De Los Santos. Jeng Bully gets a much-deserved rest from Coach Roger at pinasok niya itong si Benito. Good reception by Benito. This time, tatanungin niya ni Rhea, sakto na? Yun, di ba?
Sakto na.
Sakto na, sabi ni Suzanne.
Yun yung mahirap minsan, ano, if you're a setter, you have to know the right height for your attacker. Kasi iba-iba rin, no? Iba-iba yung gusto nilang height, even if it's the same play.
Yes. Sandra hits the line. If you're Andaya, you want to get Sandra going, you know, so you gotta give her touches, make sure that you have eye contact with her every single play. Tingnan mo kung nasan siya. Well-read play again, Joy Cases. Very tough matchup for any hitter. 8-7, Cagayan Valley with a 1-point lead.